We've never been apart for such a long time. Do you think he's cheating on me?
I'm sure. As who can stay away from their loved one? Right, my love?
I've heard that he's been mingling with a man. Guys, you're not helping.
Hey babe, I'm back.
Where the hell have you been?
No babe, I've been busy with a lot of busyness.
How can it take so long?
I told you, I got 240 minutes of battery backup and can last for 3 months with one charge.
Oh, that's long.
But I've taken a leave today just to meet you.
Aw, darling.
Oh, here it is. Let's go for another trip.
4-in-1 DIZO trimmer kit. 240 minutes runtime. One charge for 3 months. Stop worrying and start grooming.